Mike Jensen here with Gription Gear, bringing you a gripping glimpse into the Parrot Zik headphones. And just tried these things on. They sound great. There's lots of really cool features about them. First off, they feel really nice. You've got an adjustment here. Feels really high quality. The controls are actually not visible here, but you just control it. You've got volume up and down, and you can skip forward and backward just by touching the side of this headphone. You can also charge the headphones right here, of course. You can run the headphones off an auxiliary jack. And some other cool features up here on the phone. You can see here, you can download this Parrot software, and it allows you to do an equalizer and control all these different things on the headset. It's pre-tuned by Lou Reed, just a little special feature there they threw in there. And you can check the battery level, all that kind of stuff. So it seems like they've got it integrated really well.